Let's look at this algebra expression here. Given that a equals to 3, b equals to -5, and c equals to 6, evaluate the following expression. So we have a into 3c minus b. Alright, so let me write it here. So a 3c minus b. Alright, so we can substitute the values. So a, we have 3. So I'm going to put the value of 3 inside here. 3 and so 3 multiplied, so inside the bracket we have 3 multiplied by c, which is 6, minus b, which is -5. Alright, so you can see that whenever I replace a variable, alright, with the actual value, is always good practice to put it inside brackets. Alright, unless in this case, for example, it is the coefficient of a bracket itself, then it's fine. Okay, but as long as it is anywhere else, it's good to put it within brackets, so you know that you need to account for the expansion or the multiplication. Alright, so let's do this step by step. So we always need to work from inside out. So we work with the innermost expression first, and then we work out. Alright, so here we have 3 into 6, which will be 18. And here we have a bracket with a -5, and there's a minus in front. So there's actually a 1 over here, -1. So minus into minus will give me a plus, and 1 times 5 will be 5. Alright, and the 3 is still outside here. Alright, so that will give me 3 into 18 plus 5, which is 23. And that will give me the final answer of 69. 3 times 23 will be 69. Alright, good. Thank you.